Alright, we got another camera. Genbolt, super easy, reliable, with very bad app ratings. Let's have a look. Japan YouTube, English YouTube. Right, okay. So what's some Japanese? US phone contact, okay. RTSP, that's cool. You can stream to some third-party apps. Auto cruise, that's nice. Pan tilt, yes. AP hotspot, interesting. Very interesting, okay. So this guy's a little bit of what's this? Camera to router, really? For Wi-Fi mode, please follow user manual. Search for camera from LAN. So this guy's a little bit more technical. I think that may explain the ratings on the App Store, which is quite terrible. I think Genbolt, yeah, 1.8. Only 5 ratings, so that's fine. Okay. Join promotion, get a group grab. Right, okay. Not interested. User manual. Wow, okay. Right. Software download. Okay. Right. Okay, it sounds simple. Okay, let's give it a go. They provide a network cable, that's nice. This one's a bit more cumbersome. Okay, mounting brackets, that's more convenient. So that uses a micro USB. Not gonna open. I'll give you a power adapter. It's a 1.5 amp. And some screws to mount on the wall. Okay. 1080p. Honestly, it doesn't feel quality at all. Looks cool, but doesn't look nice. It's a bit intimidating the way it looks. Like some kind of a robot out there to kill you. Okay. Let's see, we need a micro USB. Alright, so we got a micro USB cable. Should be easy to set up. Plug it in. Power light comes on. Yeah. Get a Ethernet cable. Simple. Right, so this one doesn't need an app. Okay, it's doing its sync. Add a camera, right. What's the password? Admin? Okay, admin and admin, right. Right, so I'm just gonna say search cam. Got it, okay. Search camera from there. Okay. Location permission, right. Okay, that's fine. Okay, get out. Let's have a look. Okay. Okay, so there we go. It's a camera. Done. Connecting online. Yes. That's simple as that. GMT, we're going to be Australia, Sydney. Done. So why will this guy get such a negative rating? Right. Probably because it's not secure. Okay. Oh yeah. Cool. Let's improve the quality. Intelligent tracking, right. What's that called? To call a phone number, right. Pretty cool. The camera quality is not good. Is there a way to improve? HD. That's better. Yeah, the interface could be improved, but that's fine. Like, it doesn't give you natural zoom in, zoom out. You have to use the buttons. Look, this is a more, if you like, adjustable, programmable, or you know, you can play around more with this guy. But how do I get out of here? Get out of here. Maybe like this. Okay. Settings. Recording schedule. That's nice. Wi-Fi, SD card setting. Okay. Email, FTP settings. It's pretty cool, you know. Wi-Fi setting. Wi-Fi manager. SureCanDo. It can be made to be like refined a little bit more. Wi-Fi setting successfully. So, is there any LED indicator? So if I unplug this, it should still come up on the Wi-Fi. If I refresh, connecting. Let's go plus. Already added. It's online. Now we're on the Wi-Fi. You can see no network cable, just the power cable, and it's quite fast. It's actually faster than the Reolink. Oh, Gen? No, that's that one. Reolink packaging somewhere else. It's a bit odd the way the image looks. Okay, so it's a bit of a fisheye. Yeah, it's not as sharp. It looks a bit of there's an angle to the yeah, there's an angle like a glass eye. Okay, not nice. Okay. Okay. So how does intelligent tracking work? On. Will it follow the face? It does. Look at that, it's following my face. Come on, you lost me. I'm here. So this can be actually great if you set it up properly. Come on, go up, 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 up. Okay, so it's, oh, there we go. It's a bit slow, but it works at least. That's amazing. The face tracking works. That's about it for this. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to support this channel.